He was a slave, and his master told him one day, I want you to bring me the best part of a shat, of the sheep. Slaughter and cook for me the best part of the sheep. So he brought forth a cooked heart and a cooked tongue. And the master ate it, and he thought to himself, interesting. Could it be that maybe because these are the parts that have no bone to them? Why did he choose the heart and the tongue? So he asked Luqman the next day, he said, I want you to bring me the worst part of the sheep. Slaughter a sheep for me, cook it, and then bring me its worst part. And Luqman Al Hakeem brought him once again the heart and the tongue. And so his master said to him that I asked you for the best part and I asked you for the worst part, and both times you brought me the heart and the tongue. And he said that these two parts of the body, if they are purified and in obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they are the best part of the body. And if they are impure and in a state of transgression, they are the worst part of the body. And his master said to him, you are a wise man, you are free to go. And so he attained his freedom through his hikmah, through his wisdom.